The Nocturne Home, a decor guide for the season of shadow. The grand entrance. Begin the transformation with the entryway. Draped over the console table, a sheer black organza cloth catches the light, settling like a newly woven cobweb. A single, tall candelabra with unlit black taper candles stands sentinel, flanked by two oversized, matte black ceramic pumpkins. The scene is lit only by the faint glow of a recessed ceiling light, casting long, sharp shadows on the polished floor. The Alchemist's Shelf. Restyle your mantel with the quiet, unsettling elegance of an old apothecary. Fill a collection of vintage glass jars with moss, dried roots, and dark-colored bath salts. Label them in aged script, Eye of Newt, Moondust. Prop up a framed, deliberately blurry antique photograph next to a heavy, bound book with a tarnished silver clasp. The Gilded Feast. For the dining table, trade bright linens for heavy black lace and deep velvet runners. The centerpiece should be dramatic. A tiered display of black, burgundy, and deep purple artificial flowers mixed with small, dark gourds. Place a single, black taper candle in an antique brass holder beside each setting, ready for an intimate, candlelit dinner party. Phantom windows. Use your windows to project fleeting illusions. Hang tattered, gray cheesecloth or sheer muslin over the bottom half of tall windows in a living area. Cut simple, elegant silhouettes, like a branch, a raven, or a gargoyle, from black cardstock and tape them to the outer pane. When the setting sun hits, the shadows are crisp and otherworldly. The Cursed Archive. Give a library or study corner an air of forgotten secrets. Stack a pyramid of old, leather-bound books, slightly askew, and tuck a large, tarnished skeleton key between the pages of the top volume. Scatter a few bronze-colored acorns or dried leaves around the base to suggest the passage of time and neglect. Descent into shadow. The staircase offers a dramatic canvas for texture. Swathe the railing and banister in layers of gray and white gauze or tattered cotton, securing them loosely to simulate decades of cobwebs. Weave in strands of battery-operated warm white fairy lights to make the drapery glow softly from within, guiding guests up to the darkness. Vanity's veil. Even the bathroom can be transformed with minimal effort. Place a dark ceramic bowl filled with water and a few floating white or black pillar candles near the sink. The only other accent is a single, dramatic, long-stemmed black velvet rose placed in a narrow, clear glass vase beside the mirror, reflecting its somber color. The sentinel's glow. Turn your porch or patio into a beacon of autumnal dread. Group a collection of lanterns, metal, glass, or distressed wood at varying heights near the front door. Fill them with pillar candles or flickering LED versions. Skip the carved smiles. Instead, arrange gourds painted a creamy white, deep charcoal, and dusty bronze. The Midnight Perch. Accent a quiet reading nook or chair with a single, evocative object. Toss a luxurious, deep purple or black velvet throw over the arm of a comfortable chair. On a nearby side table, place a large, realistic sculpture of a raven perched next to an empty antique teacup and saucer, suggesting a hurried departure. The Witch's Pantry. The kitchen or a breakfast nook can celebrate the harvest's darker side. Hang a rustic twine garland strung with dried chili peppers, bundles of sage, and dark shriveled herbs. Arrange a collection of heirloom gourds and striped pumpkins on a wooden cutting board, placing an empty mortar and pestle nearby, ready for grinding spells and spices. The Shadow Box Gallery. Curate a gallery of subtle dread by utilizing shadow boxes. Inside a few, arrange carefully pinned black lace butterflies or beetles made from dark metallic foil. In others, place tiny, found objects, a single rusty key, a small piece of dark sea glass, or a fragment of dried moss backed by distressed linen or velvet. Hang the collection close together on a wall painted a deep, matte color for maximum contrast. The Moss and Stone Terrarium. Create a miniature, forgotten landscape with a lidded glass clocher or large terrarium. Layer the bottom with black river stones, charcoal-colored soil, and deep green preserved moss. Introduce small, architectural elements, a tiny, broken marble column or a piece of driftwood shaped like a serpent to suggest a ruin reclaimed by nature. Position this piece on a light-colored surface to highlight the darkness within the glass.